Hello there once again, everyone. Think your snack is diabetes friendly? Let's double check together. Let's talk top snack fails for diabetes. First up, granola bars. They seem healthy, but a lot are basically candy bars in disguise. Next mistake, fruit juice. Even the natural kind can spike your blood sugar fast. Dried fruit, tiny pieces, giant sugar rush. Watch out for fat-free yogurt too. Spoiler, they add sugar to make it taste good. And don't even get me started on rice cakes. They're light but send blood sugar soaring. So, what can you eat? Stick to real food, like nuts, veggie sticks, or a small apple with peanut butter. Your blood sugar and your taste buds will thank you. Stay smart, snack happy, and remember, you've got this. So until then, I'll catch you again in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.